Welcome to Bible Challenge Daily, the place where your faith grows stronger, one question at a time. Think you know the Bible? Let's put your knowledge to the test. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join thousands growing in God's Word every day. Question number 1. Who was the first Christian convert in Europe? A. Lydia. B. Phoebe. C. Priscilla. Question number 2. What is the first city mentioned in the Bible? A. Babylon. B. Nineveh. C. Enoch. Question number 3. How many Philistines did Samson kill with a jawbone? A. 1,000. B. 40. C. 666. Question number 4. Which apostle was the first to be martyred? A. Andrew. B. Thomas. C. James. Question number 5. Which prophet was sent to preach in Nineveh? A. Jonah. B. Paul. C. Elon. Question number 6. Who was Moses' father-in-law? A. Laban. B. Mordecai. C. Jethro. Question number 7. Who restored Paul's sight after he was blinded? A. Peter. B. Luke. C. Ananias. Question number 8. What was Paul's name before conversion? A. Saul. B. Barnabas. C. Silas. Question number 9. Who was the first disciple Jesus called? A. Peter. B. Andrew. C. John. Question number 10. Who wrote the Book of Lamentations? A. Jeremiah. B. Isaiah. C. Ezekiel. So, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Challenge a friend and see who really knows the Bible. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe, and share the good news. More Bible quizzes coming daily, don't miss the next one.